Kilo Code Reviewer, which provides automatic feedback and inline suggestions on your PRs and GitHub, is now available locally in your IDE. When you want AI-powered review before you commit or push to a PR, for example, if you want to save your teammates time on a human review later, or you're working on a longer horizon task and you want to pulse check partway through, you can use the new review mode in the Kilo extension in VS Code or JetBrains. First, make a local change using code or orchestrator mode. Then switch to review mode. You'll be prompted to choose between reviewing all uncommitted changes or just those in the branch diff. Kilo will then review the changes and provide a review summary, a list of found issues, and the suggested fixes and merge recommendation. You can then switch to code or debug mode to implement any fixes directly. Try Local Code Reviewer now in the VS Code or JetBrains extension.